Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make devil's onigiri. Devil's onigiri, akuma no onigiri in Japanese, is bestseller onigiri from one of the convenience stores. They named it devil's onigiri because it's sinfully delicious, addictive, and you cannot stop eating it. Let me show you how to make it. So these are what you need to make 3 devil's onigiri rice balls. Some cooked rice, 2 tablespoons of tenkasu or tempura bits, 1 teaspoon of aonori seaweed powder, 2 tablespoons of mentsuyu, and some salt. At first, you put tempura bits, tenkasu tempura bits, and mentsuyu in a bowl. And let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes until tempura bit soaks up all the mentsuyu. It's been left for a few minutes, and when you scrape it, you don't see any mentsuyu at the bottom of the bowl. Let's add this aonori seaweed and add some rice. This amount will do for 3 onigiri. Mix it together. And rice, or devil's rice, is ready. So let's make it into onigiri rice balls. Prepare a bowl of water to keep your hands wet. Wet your hands using this water. Not too soggy, but totally wet. Put some salt on your palm. Rub it all over. Take some rice and make it into triangle shape. Like this, triangle shape, the thickness. Akuma no onigiri, or devil's onigiri, is good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye!